Hello students, welcome to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to discuss about micro operations that are present in computer architecture. Micro operation is an elementary operation performed with the data stored in registers. The micro operation most often encountered in digital computer are classified into four categories. Register transfer micro operation transfers binary information from one register to another. Arithmetic micro operation perform arithmetic operations on numeric data contained in the register in general. Logic micro operations are bitwise operations, that is, they work on the individual bits of data. These are useful for bit manipulations on binary data and also useful for making logical decisions based on the bit value. Shift micro operations perform shift operations on data stored in registers. So basically there are four types of registers, micro operations, और ये माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस हम वन बाय वन डिस्कस करेंगे. रजिस्टर ट्रांसफर माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस वो क्या करता है, एक रजिस्टर से दूसरे रजिस्टर में डेटा ट्रांसफर करता है. इसके ऊपर मैंने पहले ही वीडियो बना दिया है. अरिथमेटिक, लॉजिक एंड शिफ्ट माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देख सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग.